In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Panasonic television. So if you're experiencing an issue with your television or you're selling your television and you just want to factory reset it back to its default, then I'm going to show you how we can do this in just a couple simple steps. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up the settings on your television. So there's a couple of ways to do this. You can either just grab your television remote and you can just go and press the settings button located on your remote control. Now on my TV, this is just called menu, but depending on your remote control, it could be called something like settings or options. And if you don't have access to your television remote, then you can still head over to the settings menu by using the physical buttons located on the TV. Now, sometimes these can be found underneath the TV and other times they're also on the back of the TV. But basically, once you're on this settings window, we're just going to use the directional arrow keys to come over to the system tab, and then we're going to scroll down and select restore factory default. And then all you'll simply need to do is enter the passcode to your Panasonic television, and you're going to be able to reset your TV back to its original settings. And it's really as simple as that. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.